A 3-foot-tall Harpy Eagle. 10 stories up, her home is the ideal lookout for a hunter. But she's stuck here because she's tied to the most precious thing in her life. Her young chick. Her 5-inch talons, longer than a grizzly bear's claws, now need to be child-proofed. A wrong step could be fatal. Up here, they are exposed to the elements. If she left him alone, he would soon die. So, she's reliant on a partner to bring back food. But he's arrived empty-handed. As the tropical heat builds, Mom